Just how influential is the U.S. military? One web developer is on a mission to find out by mapping the location of U.S. military installations around the world. Using Defense Department data, Josh Begley's site shows satellite images of U.S. bases from Australia to Alaska. He explains, "I'd like to think this collection can begin to approximate the militarized space often understood as empire, but I'm hesitant to call it that." Well, viewers of his data were less hesitant, labeling it outright as an empire. Begley has pinpointed hundreds of sites, but says there's still more to be done. He's asking others to send him data that may be missing. Our next leads out of London, where student protests against university administrators turned violent. On Wednesday, students occupying a campus building at the University of London were evicted by police. Some protesters criticized the response as being heavy-handed. The university says demonstrators sealed off fire escapes and climbed on balconies, refusing to leave the building. Officials tweeted a statement condemning what they said were aggressive protests. But some dispute just how violent things were. Owen Tweets just spoke to the University of London, who confirmed there was no violence before they called the police. Well, the president of the student union tweeted, "Today's eviction was one of the nastiest, most brutal I've ever seen on campus, spitting with anger." Demonstrators are protesting over the threatened closure of the student union. They're also campaigning for fair worker benefits. And our thanks to Richard for pitching this story. Now, if you're at the protest, send us your updates using hashtag AJStream. Femi?